Good morning, everyone. It's truly an honor to be here to celebrate the 50 successful years of this school. Let me finish my words with a couple minutes, because if I speak for too long, I might sound political. Moreover, speaking in front of a bold personality like our leader of opposition of Legislative Assembly of Tripura, I might make no sense also when I speak. Thanking the school committee for inviting me here, I would like to say that we are really grateful that the school have succeeded 50 years, and I hope in the next 50 years this school will achieve more. This school will grow more bigger. The student will be successful. The faculty, the teachers, and all the staff. First of all, I would like to thank to all the teachers here. Teachers not only educate us academically or only in terms of books or lessons, but teachers give us morals. Teachers teach us to be wise. So thank you to all the teachers and to all the departed souls who was part of the school. I honor them also. And to all the students, education is your biggest weapon. So equip the education of the teachers providing here to you. Be wise, be sincere to your teachers, because in the next 20 years, 30 years, you will be remembered with your actions, with your wisdom, to what you have done for the community, for what you have done to the society. You can be a doctors, engineers, professors, you can be a filmmakers, you can be a politician like me, like us. But being a good human, that is your first duty. What you contribute for your society, that will be counted, that will be measured. So this will be my request to all the students. Be a good human. Your profession comes next. Being a gentleman, being a gentlewoman, contributing for the society, being wise is what your first duty is. Thank you to the school for inviting me once again. I hope in the next 50 years, this school will achieve more. Maybe next time someone else will give speech here. But the legacy of the school should continue. The school should remain the same, not in terms of construction, but in terms of mentality. I wish you all a good life, a successful life. My prayers are with this school, and we are all with you. Thank you so much.